So set the scene first of all. So we have braces up and running, and on the right hand side you can see the map displaying both the FUCHS vehicle and an ROV, and on the left hand side you can see the CBRN messages database. And what we're really looking at for this particular demonstration is just CBRN forwards, and the fact that once a sensor has generated a report, those reports will go into the CBRN4 folder, and then we can then display that information on the map. On the map we have environmental industrial hazard risk object that can be produced by braces, so a patrol or something that's found something. And if we just quickly open it up, within the report, believed to be some leaking drums or suspect drums, we've placed, or the braces operator has placed, around a 250 meter hazard range. And what we want a Falcon Squadron to do is send a FUCHS forward, have a look, investigate, see if this leaking drums has any substance that is dangerous and will cause a potential hazard to anyone within the vicinity. So that's what we're going to demonstrate here, so I'll just cancel that for now. And what we'll do is we'll get the FUCHS moving to do a on-site target type procedure, go around, and again we're going to speed up the simulation for this, because obviously it would take a lot longer in real time. We've got the ROV back here with the troop commander being set up just in case it's going to be needed, but as far as the FUCHS is concerned, we have a series of sensors on the FUCHS. I'm going to open up one of the sensors and just show you one of the things that we can do if FUCHS had sensors integrated. So what I can do now is I can click on to generate a report, and I can keep on clicking to generate reports, indicating actually as I'm going round you can see there is no alarm status at the moment, so I can get all clear or below the threshold reports indicated inside here on the CBRN4. They will not come through immediately. I have set a delay of 60 seconds, which you can do inside the SCIM administrator for then the reports to be sent. Just in case something happens inside the vehicle, the system will automatically send those reports anyway. So it's going around doing its procedures at the moment. All I'm doing is just keep on clicking to physically generate those reports, which you will see start to appear soon. I'll close that down. And then we do have weather as well, so we've got weather, and we're taking not the current weather, but we're going to simulate, or sorry, an average of 5 minutes. So we'll close that. You can see the reports are coming in from the sensor, and if I double click to display them, you can see those reports now are actually, if I bring one up, they are below the threshold. Okay. So let's cancel on that, and we'll just keep on bringing them in. I'll close down the FUCHS sensor configuration. What we've got now is the ROV has been picked up, placed in the back of the FUCHS, and is now moving forward into a position where the FUCHS can then release the ROV to go in and investigate further. So we'll get the FUCHS to go forward. What we can also do is we can click on here and actually have a look at what's on the ROV. It's just an LCD 3.3, nothing else. So, and then I'll click onto here, showing all the clear at the moment. ROV or UGV has been released from the FUCHS, being controlled by a control console now to go forward into the suspected area towards the drums and see if that sensor can pick anything up. So as it moves forward, again just slightly speeded this up, and there we have a tick indication from the LCD 3.3. So as the operator, I can stop that from flashing. I can then close the ROV sensor configuration down. I do have the ability, as you can see on this one, since I've got the display of the sensor up, I can modify and switch between libraries if I wanted to, but it has been picked up already. So what I'm waiting for now is for that report to be physically again sent to braces via the CBRN4. Like I said, there is a 60-second delay, but at some stage pretty soon we should have that report come in. And there it is there, indicated as the LCD 3.3. I'll just stop it flashing for now. And we should again be able to bring up and physically show that report. There it is there on the map, but I can also go into the folder here and open up the report, and there you can see LCD 3.3 above the required average, and it was 6 bars in tick. Now it also includes the MET that's been taken again from the FUCHS and added in to the report as well. So that's a quick demonstration just showing you the capabilities of using SCIM either integrated into the FUCHS vehicle or SCIM integrated onto some sort of ROV UGV platform.